Okay guys, it's back. It was gone for about, again, another 5 minutes. And I went upstairs and I filmed the video and it was quite loud. And I don't like the video, so I'm just taking this real quick. And my daughter said that there's some kind of new box down the street, but I'm not thinking it's anything to do with that. It's like straight up in the sky. And I don't see anything anywhere. And the sun is magically covered now. I was so focused on the noise I didn't get to clip or film the sun very good. But I can't find anything being recorded anywhere. So yet, this guy looks like crazy over there. I have hypersensitive ears, so I can hear this in the house. We got fans going in our rooms. Like I have 3 fans in my room to block out noise. This is just absurd. It's been going on since like 12 o'clock, and the clouds are starting to look really weird. So, I don't know. It's cold. Not as bad as the other day. But something is definitely wrong. And every once in a while you start hearing a bunch of choppers flying around. But I can't come out quick enough to check on it. Film it. I can't stand here all day. So, I don't know. I keep checking the news because this is crazy. I don't know how anybody's reporting this. I did. Alright, happy Valentine's Day, y'all. I'm going to see if I can find anything out. Talk to you later.